You need to hear this if you struggle with making the most of your time. Life is a gift. It is a precious and finite resource, something we often take for granted. Each moment we experience is unique and irreplaceable. Time seems to slip through our fingers like grains of sand, constantly moving, never stopping. We try to hold on, but it always escapes our grasp. We often hear the phrase life is short, but truly grasping its meaning can be elusive. It's a concept that becomes clearer as we grow older and reflect on our past. Imagine yourself as a child filled with wonder and curiosity. The world seemed vast and full of endless possibilities. Time seemed to stretch endlessly, each day an adventure waiting to unfold. The concept of time was almost non-existent. Now picture yourself years later looking back at those moments. The days that once felt endless now seem fleeting. The years seem to pass more quickly, each one blending into the next. Seasons change, and before we know it, another year has gone by. Where did the time go? We find ourselves asking this question more often as we age, realizing how swiftly it all passes. The truth is, our time here is limited. Each moment is a precious gift that we should cherish and make the most of. None of us know how much time we have left. This uncertainty can be both a source of anxiety and a powerful motivator. This realization can be daunting, but it can also be incredibly motivating. It pushes us to live more fully, and with greater intention. It is a reminder to savor each day, to appreciate the small moments and the people we share them with. Don't wait for someday. Make the most of today. Take action on your dreams and aspirations now, while you still can. Embrace the present moment, for it is a gift. Live with purpose and gratitude and make every second count. How can we make the most of this precious time? In a world that moves so fast, it's easy to get caught up in the rush and forget what truly matters. We need to pause and reflect on our priorities. We must invest it wisely. This means being intentional with our time and energy, ensuring that our efforts align with our values and long-term goals. This means focusing on what truly matters: relationships, personal growth, and meaningful activities. These are the pillars that support a fulfilling and balanced life. Relationships form the bedrock of a fulfilling life. They provide us with love, support, and a sense of belonging. Nurturing strong connections with family and friends brings joy and support. These bonds are essential for our emotional well-being and happiness. Make time for loved ones, even amidst busy schedules. Prioritize moments of togetherness and cherish the time spent with those who matter most. Personal growth is an ongoing journey. Embrace lifelong learning. Continuously seek knowledge and experiences that expand your horizons. Explore new interests, develop skills, and challenge yourself. Stepping out of your comfort zone can lead to incredible personal development. This could involve pursuing higher education, learning a new language, or taking up a new hobby. Each new endeavor adds to your growth and enriches your life. Meaningful activities provide purpose and satisfaction. Engaging in work that resonates with your values can be deeply rewarding. Identify what brings you joy and make time for it. Whether it's a hobby, a creative pursuit, or a passion project, these activities can bring immense fulfillment. This could be volunteering, creative pursuits, or pursuing a passion project. By investing in what truly matters, we create a life filled with purpose, joy, and lasting memories. To live wisely, we must design our days intentionally. Set clear goals that align with your values. What do you want to accomplish with your time? Once you have goals, prioritize ruthlessly. Focus on the most important tasks each day. Learn to delegate or say no to commitments that drain your time and energy. Practice mindfulness to stay present. Instead of dwelling on the past or worrying about the future, focus on the now. Savor simple pleasures and appreciate the beauty around you. Imagine reaching the end of your life filled with regret. The moments you let slip away, the dreams you never chased, and the relationships you took for granted. These thoughts can be haunting. You wish you had spent more time with loved ones, pursued your passions, and embraced the simple joys of life. The laughter shared with friends, the warmth of family gatherings, and the satisfaction of hobbies left unexplored, or simply lived more fully, taking in the beauty of the world around you. The adventures you could have had, the places you could have seen, and the experiences that could have enriched your soul. Don't let this be your story. You have the power to change the narrative. Every day is a new opportunity to make different choices. Embrace the brevity of life as a call to action. Let each sunrise remind you that today is a chance to start anew, to pursue your dreams with vigor and determination. Spend your time wisely by investing in what truly matters. Design your days intentionally, prioritize your goals, and practice mindfulness. Make each moment count by being present and engaged in whatever you do. This is how you create a life filled with purpose, joy, and meaning. Celebrate your achievements, cherish your relationships, and find peace within yourself. Life is short, but it can be incredibly rich and rewarding if we choose to live it wisely. Enjoy the simple pleasures, savor your successes, and strive for fulfillment in all aspects of life. Make the most of every moment. Seize the day, create lasting memories, and live a life that you can look back on with pride and satisfaction. Subscribe now for life-changing content like this. Let's embark on this journey together and make every moment